Hello people. I'm going to make a video of me microwaving one of those marshmallow peep things that you normally get for Easter. But it's not like a chick or anything. It's a cow. And it's blue. And I'm going to put it in the microwave to see what happens. Because I have been wanting to do this for a very long time. Because Joe Jonas mentioned that he's done it before. And I really want to know what happens. So this is a video of me seeing what happens. There's the peep. 30 seconds. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, yeah. It's starting to get bigger. Oh my god, it's huge. Oh my god. That's freaking amazing. Look at that. That thing is huge. It was one of those, and now it's that. That's so cool. Okay, that was really exciting. So